Abhishek, thank you very much for introducing me.
Sir, you are not audible.
I'm not audible. Is it okay now? Other student, you can please type in the chat box. Am I audible?
No, sir, you are still not audible.
Oh. Is it fine? Yes, sir. Okay. I'm audible. I hope
sir.
it's okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, Abhishek. Actually, there was no need to introduce me, and I specifically I had told Shrikant sir that please do not ask anybody to introduce me because it's no need, because I am Evolve Club. I'm one of the founders in the Evolve Club, so there was no need. But Abhishek, and along with Abhishek, there are a few more students whose name I would preferably like to call: Muniraj, Manish, Pratik, and there are many. You are all doing very wonderful job. You are all trying to help your juniors by showing your example to how to coordinate with such a wonderful club. So we are very thankful to Abhishek, Muniraj, Manish, Pratik. There are so many. So because every time these students, they invite, they give their speakers, they give their introduction, they give the vote of thanks, but nobody recognizes them doing that. So today I would like that each and every student present here. I'm saying there are almost 19 students or 15 plus students. Can you please, for encouraging Abhishek, Muniraj, Pratik, Manish, and others, their team, can you please type a good job? Every participant, please participate. Type in the chat box good job to encourage Abhishek, Maniraj, Pratik, and his team. Thank you, Atharva. Thank you. Please being the first to. Thank you, Sudhanva, Atharva Kulkarni. Thank you, Sriraj. It takes one to know one. If we inspire these students, in future we get inspiration from others. Okay, so what goes around comes around. Jaisi karni, vaisi bharni. If you cannot appreciate anybody's efforts, in future nobody is going to appreciate our efforts. So we should always be appreciative for all. Thank you for participating. Thank you. So before going to our today's topic, I would like to tell something about myself. Can I share? क्या मैं शेयर कर सकता हूँ मेरे बारे में? जब तक आप परमिशन नहीं दोगे तक शेयर नहीं करूंगा.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Atharva. Others I would like. Okay, thank you, Prajit. Thank you, Vedant. Thank you. Okay, so I'm an electronics engineer. I have graduated in the year 2014 from the college, MIT College in Aurangabad. I worked in one of the companies, Giru's Cotton in Aurangabad, just for 6 months. I'm from the technical background, but I have more interest in people. So I left the job and I started to strive my own aim and goal in my life. So I quit the job, went Pune, joined one academy, and you may be knowing the Podar International Schools, the branches. So in the Pune branch, I joined as a physics faculty, worked there for 6 months, and I couldn't stay away from my dream of being with students in my own setup, own startup. So in the year 2016, I came back to Aurangabad, and with my friends, 3 of my friends, we came together and started our own organization, our own academy called Acharya's Academy. And from that time, 2016 till today, I'm working as a director in Acharya's Academy and being a physics and mathematics faculty for the students, and enjoying my career. And while doing this, in the last 6 years, I I had an opportunity to be with all the students. Is it okay if I speak in English or I change my language to Hindi or Marathi? Okay, I will do bilingual or trilingual, whatever comes according to the context. So in the last 6 years, I have been through so many students who are in the age group of class 8 to 10th. I could be in the students who are in the class or standards of 11th and 12th, and I could be in the students who are doing engineering. मैं ऐसे सारे छात्रों के साथ रहने का मुझे मौका मिला एज एन members in EOL club. I could be with other engineering students, and as an academic director, I had this opportunity to be with students. But one thing I could find in all the students, and that became my speaking point. जो मुझे उन सारे बच्चों में दिखा, वही मेरे लाइफ का पार्ट बन गया. मैं जिस भी छात्र से मिलता हूँ, जिस भी व्यक्ति से मिलता हूँ, it starts with this thing which I'm going to share today. हमेशा एक बात याद रखना, हम जैसे वातावरण में रहते हैं, यदि एक्टिवली रहे तो हमें उसकी कमियां और साथ ही साथ हमें उसके सॉल्यूशंस मिलते रहते हैं. Just we have to be active. I could be in the students and I can find their problems. Any students come in front of me with any problem, I always be ready to help him. Why? Because I know their mindset. So that is the way today we have decided to have this session. So we have invested our almost 12 minutes in the background. I hope you feel encouraged to have the today's session go on. Are you encouraged? Type I in the chat box. Thank you very much. So let us begin our journey of today's session. I'm just going to share my presentation. Yeah, it's there. Oh, just a minute. Yeah, I'm trying to share it. Yeah, yes. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
Okay. Yes. Thank you very much. Thank you. So this is what we are going to discuss today. Unleash the power of thinking. My dear friend, please, whatever thought is there in your mind, आपके मन में जो भी विचार चल रहे हैं, एग्जाम का प्रेशर, असाइनमेंट्स, राइटअप्स, जो भी चल रहा है, for just next 40 minutes, just shake it, your whole body, shake it like this, so that everything goes out of your mind and you'll be fully focused in the session today. Are you able to resonate with me, with my sound or with my feelings, that I want to be here? ते म्हणतात ना मराठीमध्ये, धड देवळात चित्त पायतानात. हम भगवान का दर्शन करने जाते हैं मंदिर में, तो सामने तो भगवान खड़े हैं, लेकिन हमारा ध्यान कहाँ रहता है? तो कहा जाता है कि धड़ देवड़ात चित्त पायतानात मतलब सारा ध्यान उधर रहता है, कोई मेरा चप्पल तो चोरी करके लेके नहीं जाएगा. So please do not give anything like this. Just with a free mindset, be here in the class. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So let's move forward. So today, I would always like to share the thoughts in such a way that they should be 3 topics. To unleash the power of thinking, we must have to know the concept behind it. We must have to develop the mindset of it. And we must have to act in such a way that we can be in the same mindset what we developed it. Are you resonating with me? Yeah. So let us sorry. Yeah, thank you. So let us move into the conceptual part of today's discussion. The concept what I want to discuss is the three secrets. The three secrets, right? Secrets. The three secrets we are going to learn from today's topic. The first and foremost is to do anything in our life, to do any damn thing in our life, we have to have first thing is a clarity. We have to have first thing is a clarity what we are doing, why we are doing, why we are doing what we are doing. हम क्या कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं. This is the first thing. So all you have joined MIT, join Jika college or MIT college. You are joined engineering. Have you ever asked yourself this question? What am I doing? Why am I doing? Have you asked yourself? Type yes if you asked yourself. Type yes if you asked yourself, what am I doing? And please be honest. If you write there, no, I'm not going to say, hey, Kare Baba, na kamanto. Please be honest and tell whatever is there. If yes, then yes. If no, then no. We are here to find out the solutions, not the problems. So please, thank you, Atharva, for being honest. Thank you very much. So this is the first thing. Actually, I was listening to one of the records of Nightingale. Have you know? Earl Nightingale is one of the radio jockey in the year 1950s almost. So I was listening to his one of the recordings where he speaks about the strangest secrets in the world. So he says there, if we ask to people in the age group of 25, do you want to become successful in your life? So everybody says, yeah, we are going to successful. We are going to successful. And this tells each and every way how they are going to achieve that success. वो हर रास्ता बताएंगे, हम ऐसे 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 ये करेंगे और हम इससे सक्सेसफुल बन जाएंगे. But if we ask them at the age of 65, 100 people we asked at the age of 25, and same 100 people if we ask at the age of 65, the survey tells that 1 out of 100 becomes rich, 4 out of them become financially independent, and almost 20 they still trying at the age of 65, they're still trying, and almost 54 are remaining, they gave up. They gave up the hope that they can become successful in their life. Do you know what is the problem? Why out of 100 only 5 people can become successful? Vilas, please mute yourself. Almost 5 out of 100 people become successful in their journey. Do you know what is the reason? The reason is clarity. Type their goal. Type in chat box. Reason is they don't have a proper or a fixed goal in their life. Let me give an example. Please think of it. जरा सोचिए इसके बारे में कि एक बहुत बड़ा जहाज है और उस जहाज को हम एक कैप्टन दे देते और उस कैप्टन के पास एक रोड मैप दे देते कि बाबा इस रास्ते से जाना है और यहाँ पर पहुंचना है. How many of think if you try this for 1,000 times, how many times it can reach to the destination? If you try this experiment for 1,000 times, how many times this experiment gets successful? Giving a captain, giving a right road map, how to go and where to stop. 9,999 times at least they reach the goal, considering 1% loss, isn't it? Why? Because they had a captain and they had a right roadmap. They had a goal, destination. कहाँ रुकना है, रुकने का ही पता नहीं। अभी दूसरे बार यदि ऐसा सोचो कि एक जहाज है, ना उसमें कैप्टन है, ना किसी को पता नहीं कि उसे कहाँ जाना है, सिर्फ वो जहाज चालू करके पानी में छोड़ दी या समंदर में छोड़ दी, बताइए कहाँ जाके रुकेगी, कहाँ जाके रुकेगी? ऑलमोस्ट एक तो सिंक हो जाएगी, नहीं तो कहीं पर किसी डेजर्टेड लैंड पे जाके रुक जाएगी। Why it happened? Because that boat or that ship haven't given a goal or a destination or a roadmap. Are you with me? Type me. Are you with me? Type in the chat box me. I'm with you. Yeah, thank you, thank you. So clarity is most important. After the clarity, my dear friends, second word is focus. We have the clarity, but if you don't have focus on that, it's not going to work. We know where we want to go, but during the process, if you don't have focus, then that goal cannot be achieved, or it will take a long time to achieve. Are you with me? It will take a long time to achieve. So focus is the second important secret or fact to get where we want to get in. So we have discussed goal is important, and second thing is focus on that goal is most important. Third thing is an action. So यदि गोल नहीं रहा, बहुत बार ऐसा कहा जाता है कि पता तो है उन्हें, गोल तो पता है, फिर भी सक्सेस क्यों नहीं मिलता है? तो बहुत बार जो उसके पास पावर है ना, उस पावर को भूल जाते हैं, और जो कि आज हमारा टॉपिक है। व्हाट इज द टॉपिक? अनलिश द पावर ऑफ थिंकिंग। सो माय डियर फ्रेंड, आवर थॉट प्रोसेस इज द राइट रोड मैप टू रीच टू द आवर डिजायर्ड गोल। जो भी हमने ध्येय निश्चित किया है, उसे हासिल करने का रास्ता यदि कुछ है तो वह है हमारा सोच, हमारे विचार। यदि हम गोल डिसाइड करने के पश्चात भी यह सोचे कि वो मुझसे हासिल नहीं होगा, तो आज ही लिख लो कहीं पर बॉन्ड पर, मैं साइन कर दूंगा, नहीं हासिल होगा। इफ यू कांट हैव दिस होप that whatever you are decided you are not going to achieve it, you will not going to achieve it in the whole life. Why? The reason is thought process, thinking. क्यों thinking पर इतना? देखिए, इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे साधु संतों ने, बहुत सारे जो फिलोसोफर्स हो चुके हैं ना, वो हमेशा एक दूसरे के, मतलब हर प्रकार के फिलोसोफर्स रहे, कोई लाइफ कोच रहे या कोई भी हो, जो भी थिंकर्स है ना, वो हमेशा एक दूसरे के ओपिनियन के खिलाफ रहते हैं। हाँ, खिलाफ रहते हैं, पर वो एक बात पर कभी एक दूसरे के खिलाफ नहीं रहते, वो है थिंकिंग is only the process to get what we want to get. Are you with me? Thinking is the process which help us what we want to achieve. Think and achieve. You have read the book Think and Grow Rich? Thinking has such a potential that if you thought it, you are going to get it. If you have thought it, you are going to get it. Let me tell you one nice story. I just got remembrance of that story. Once a gentleman, he was walking to the forest. जंगल से जाता रहता है, और जाते समय रास्ते में उसे बहुत भूख लग जाता है. He takes shelter of one of the trees and sat under the tree and thinks, if I could have got some water to drink, just I got water, I will drink it. So he thought himself, ये अच्छा होगा यदि मुझे पानी मिल जाए पीने के लिए, थोड़ा सा प्यास बुझ जाएगा. और चमत्कार, जादू से वहां पर पानी आ जाता है. He becomes very happy, takes the water, drinks it, feels wow, nice, very nice. And after drinking water, what is the next? पानी पीने के बाद किसका याद आएगा? हाँ, हंगर. तो उसे भूख लग जाती है और बोलता है कि यार कुछ खाने मिल जाता तो बहुत अच्छा होता. And to his surprise, in front of him, a huge plate with sweets and puri, dal roti, everything manifest in front of him. He becomes so happy, sat down and eats everything. अभी तो खाने के बाद क्या होता है? आपको तो अनुभव होगा. क्या होगा? बहुत खाने के बाद क्या होता है? राइट इन ए चैट बॉक्स. क्या होगा? यदि चैट बॉक्स भर नहीं रहा है तो मैं समझ जाऊंगा कि तुम लोग इसे चालू करके मोबाइल को बाजू में रख के सो गए हो. जितने लोग यहाँ पर दिख रहे हैं मुझे, ऑलमोस्ट नींद आती है. करेक्ट. इतना खाने के पश्चात वो सो जाता है, पर सोने से पहले सोचता है अरे यार क्या ये थोड़ा बेड पलंग कुछ होता, गादी होती तो अच्छा नींद लगता. और उसी समय पर वहां पर ये सब आ जाता है. नाउ ही थिंक्स अरे क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ, जो मांग रहा हूं मिल रहा है. वहीं पर सो जाता है. रात होती है. अभी रात को जब वो जगता है, he thinks, oh my god, now it's night. और नाइट टाइम तो फॉरेस्ट में बहुत सारे प्राणी होते, जंगली जानवर होते. वो ऐसा ना हो कोई शेर आए और मुझे खा जाए. What do you feel? What would have happened? क्या लगता है क्या हुआ होगा? अरे ऐसा इंजीनियर हो आप लोग, ऐसा फास्ट होना चाहिए कि वहां पर मैं पूछने से पहले आंसर आ जाना चाहिए. क्या होगा? As he thinks of it, lion comes or tiger comes and finish him up. खत्म कर देता है उसे. तो बात समझ में आ रही क्या हमने ये स्टोरी क्यों बताई है? What are you thinking is going to happen in our life? Please, my dear friend, try to understand it. What we are thinking is going to happen in our life. If you are thinking that you are going to achieve, you will be achieving. And if you are thinking, I'm not, I'm a loser, no means to get it. Isn't it? Are you with me? So, this is the power of thinking, that if you think, you will get that. If you think positive, you will be positive. If you think negative, you will be negative. If you think nothing, you will be nothing. That simple it is. Are you with me? Type, I am with you. With you. If you are positively thinking, you will be positive. If you are negatively thinking, you will be negative whole of your life. Actually, हम कहां पर सोचने का जो क्रिया होता है कहां पर होता है? Where the process of thinking happens? It's in the mind, right? Am I right? It's in the mind. Yes, Prachi. Yes, it's in the mind. So, my dear friend, let me tell about mind. Mind is such a biggest continent in the world. Nobody have ever explored it to its extent. जितना बड़ा ये कॉन्टिनेंट है, एक बहुत बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट है. इसे आज तो कोई उतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाया जितना बड़ा ये कॉन्टिनेंट है, मन नाम का. हाँ, क्यों पता है? लेट मी शेयर द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ माइंड. ये थिंकिंग किस तरह से वर्क करता है हमारे जीवन में, इसे थोड़ा सा चर्चा करते हैं. एक जमीन की तरह है. हमने देखा यदि फार्मिंग में अब कोई फार्म बैकग्राउंड से होगा, कोई शेती करना शेतकरी असेल, कोई किसान होगा तो समझ पाएगा इसे. यदि हम जमीन में दो प्रकार के बीज बोए, एक आम का और दूसरा कोई जहरीले पेड़ का बीज, बीज बोए, उसे हर रोज पानी दे, उसकी केयर ले, कुछ सालों के पश्चात या कुछ दिनों के पश्चात जब वहां से पेड़ आएगा, तो कहां से कौन सा पेड़ आएगा? आम से आम का पेड़ आएगा, और जो जहरीले पेड़ का बीज था उससे जहरीला पेड़ आएगा. अभी मुझे बताइए, इस जगह पर जमीन का क्या कार्य है? जमीन का क्या रोल है? उस भूमि का क्या रोल है? जो बीज हमने बोया है वही बीज का फल वहां पर लगा है, तो जमीन no nurture, okay, to nurture, yeah, it has nurtured it in the same way. Whatever you put, that earth gives nourishment to the full of extent, gives nourishment. हाँ, तो आम के पेड़, बीज से आम का पेड़ आता है जिसे अमृत लगता है। अमृत मतलब जाम नहीं बोल, क्या बोलते उसे, अमृत नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं, अमृत, अमृत मतलब आम का जो स्वाद है अमृत की तरह है ना। और जो विषैला पेड़ था उससे जहर, हाँ, अमृत का विरुद्ध जहर उत्पन्न होता है। इसमें जमीन का क्या रोल है? उतना ही रोल है, तुम जो डालोगे वही मैं दूंगी। पता है ना, जो हम बोते हैं वही हम पाते हैं। तो मन भी एक भूमि की तरह है जिसमें विचार रूपी बीज यदि हम डालेंगे तो जैसे विचार डाल रहे हैं वैसे ही वहां पर पौधा, पेड़ या फल लगेंगे। आर में, हाँ, यस, पौधा और पेड़ वैसा ही लगेगा जैसा हम बीज डालेंगे। तो विचार यदि पॉजिटिव डालेंगे तो वहां से पॉजिटिव विचार बाहर निकलेंगे। जब हमारा थॉट्स, जब हमारे वर्ड्स और जब हमारे एक्शंस दे गेट इन अ लाइन, दे अलाइन टुगेदर, मतलब जो सोच रहे हैं वही बोल रहे हैं, वही कर रहे हैं, सो दैट पर्सन कैन इम्पैक्ट surrounding, can impact society, can impact his own life, can impact his whole family. What he is thinking, what he is speaking, and what he is acting. Are you with me? Thoughts, words, and actions. If they get aligned, then and then only we are going to make a difference in our own life. Okay? So, earth or a land has that much potential to give rise to your potent seed, whatever you saw it. जो भी आप बोएंगे वही निकालने की क्षमता पृथ्वी, जमीन में है। उसी तरह से जो विचार हमारे मन में आएंगे वैसे ही वर्ड्स हमारे मुख से निकलेंगे, वैसी क्रियाएं हम हमारे शरीर से करेंगे। Are you with me? Are you with me? Type me. या थैंक यू। सो फिर प्रश्न यह आता है, सर तुमच्या आधी पण बऱ्याचशा स्पीकरने आम्हाला हे सांगितलं, सर आपसे पहले भी बहुत सारे स्पीकर हमको ये बता के गए हैं, क्यों ऐसा होता है कि ये सब पता होने के पश्चात भी हम इसे चेंज नहीं कर पाते? जो हमारा नेगेटिव फीलिंग है हम उसे ही कंटिन्यू करते हैं, जो हमारा नेगेटिव थॉट प्रोसेस है हम उसे ही कंटिन्यू करते हैं, जो हमारे नेगेटिव वाइब्रेशन है उसे ही कंटिन्यू करते हैं। व्हाई? अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट माइंड हैज सच अ पोटेंशियल टू गिव नरिशमेंट टू आवर थॉट्स, व्हाई डोंट वी चेंज आवर थॉट्स? Isn't it? The reason is the thing which we get without effort or free of cost. Right there, free of cost. Write in chat box, free of cost. FOC. Right, FOC, free of cost. If we get anything in our life, FOC, free of cost, we don't care about it. Do you want examples? We got parents. Have you paid for it? We don't care for them. We got friends. कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पर जो मीटिंग में है जिसने दोस्त को खरीदा है, सर मैंने उसको एक वड़ा पाव देके खरीदा है, कोई है ऐसा? I think there is no. There must not. Yeah, yes. So we got parents, we got friends, we got our mind, we got our soul, we got our whole body just for free, isn't it? And whatever happens to it, we don't care for it. मन में क्या चल रहा है वो व्यक्ति तभी सोचेगा जब वो फील करेगा कि इट्स अ बेनिडिक्शन फॉर मी, आई एम हैविंग अ माइंड, इट्स अ बेनिडिक्शन फॉर मी, आई एम हैविंग पेरेंट्स, इट्स अ बेनिडिक्शन फॉर मी, आई एम हैविंग फ्रेंड्स, इट्स अ बेनिडिक्शन फॉर मी। थोड़ा भी उतल पुतल हो जाए ना तो प्रयास करेगा। उदाहरण देता और अच्छे से सोचिए, आप अच्छे से इंजीनियर बन गए, और मैं प्रार्थना करूंगा आप जरूर बनेंगे। आप अच्छे से इंजीनियर बन गए, अच्छा पैकेज का जॉब आपको मिल गया है, और 1-2 साल के स्ट्रगल में आपने इतना अच्छा पैसा तो कमा लिया है कि आप आपका खुद का 4 BHK रो हाउस परचेस कर पाओ. It comes around 1 to 1.5 CR, and you could do you आपने उसे बनाया है. पर कैलामिटी आ गया, थोड़ा भूकंप हो गया, वो 4 BHK टूट गया. क्या करेंगे नेक्स्ट? क्या करेंगे? उसे फिर से बिल्ड करेंगे, फिर से बांधेंगे, या छोड़ देंगे? जो आपका घर है टूट गया है या ऑब्वियसली. हाँ, अरे इन्शुरन्स श्रेयस गुड. इन्शुरन्स पण कशासाठी घेणार? बांधण्यासाठीच ना. त्याचं जे पण इन्शुरन्स असेल, येस वी विल क्लेम, बट फॉर व्हॉट पर्पज? विल रिबिल्ड इट. वाय? बिकॉज वी नो what it takes to build a 1 CR row house, what it takes to purchase a one row house of which cost around 1 or 1.5 CR, isn't it? So we rebuild it. Why? Because we know the importance, but we don't know the importance of mind. That's why we don't care of what thoughts are going in. अरे विथ में समझ में आ रहा है कि हमारे मन में क्या उथल पुथल चल रहा है, उसको हम ध्यान नहीं देते क्योंकि फुकट में मिला है. फुकट में मिला है. हमारे शरीर के साथ क्या हो रहा है, चलो ठीक है, शरीर के लिए थोड़ा कॉन्शियस होते हैं क्योंकि मुंह में छाले आ गए तो कैसे खाएंगे, तो उससे थोड़ा सा केयर करते हैं क्योंकि दिखता है कि इसका इंपॉर्टेंस. पर मन का ऐसा कुछ इंपॉर्टेंस दिखाई नहीं देता है, लेकिन उसका सबसे बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंस है, isn't it? दिमाग का भी इंपॉर्टेंस कभी कभी दिखाई नहीं देता है, इसलिए लोग ना लर्निंग में कभी इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करते, कभी नहीं करते. अरे छोड़ यार, क्या सीखना है, वही बताएंगे. पिछले सर जो आए थे मन के बारे में बोल गए, अगले सर जो आएंगे मन के बारे में बोलेंगे. ये सब लोग मन के बारे में बोलते हैं क्योंकि मन में वो पोटेंशियल है कि वो आपका जीवन बदल सकता है. मन में यह पोटेंशियल है कि वो आपका जीवन बदल सकता है. आप आज जिस अवस्था में हो, उस अवस्था से आप उस अवस्था में पहुंच सकते हो जिस अवस्था में आप पहुंचना चाहते हो. दैट्स द पोटेंशियल द माइंड इज हैविंग. Okay, so let's focus on how to build the mindset of being present or being thoughtful and trying to know what thoughts are coming to our mind. वो जो आपका रो हाउस है ना 4 BHK, वहां पर सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगाओगे ना, हाँ, चोर ना घुसे इसलिए, तो उसी तरह से इस मन के पास भी एक सिक्योरिटी गार्ड लगाना पड़ेगा जो नेगेटिव थॉट्स को आने ना दे. तो चलिए आगे हम चर्चा करते हैं. अभी तो कंसेप्ट देख लिया. आई होप यू मस्ट बी क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट. हाँ, राइट, सुपर क्लियर. राइट इन द चैट बॉक्स, सुपर क्लियर विद द कंसेप्ट दैट those who have clarity in their life, they achieve success. Okay, those who are mindful, they achieve success or they remain focused. What thoughts, words and actions are there in our life, they are going to impact our whole life, our whole surrounding, our whole family, the whole society. Okay, so how to build that mindset? There are 6 steps I'm going to tell you. Should I share the 6 steps? Right there, BIO, bring it on, share, BIO. So let us, these are the 6 steps I'm going to share. Whatever we discussed till, these are the 6 steps. First and foremost, I hope you may be having a pen and paper with you. I hope you may be having pen and paper with you. So I just want from you, write whatever words you may feel. I'm going to give you 1 minute. You write your immediate goal. Immediate matlab for this first year. There are 2 types of goal, immediate and second goal is aspiration goal. एक होता है immediate goal, और दूसरा होता है एस्पिरेशन गोल. सो एस्पिरेशन गोल के बारे में हम बाद में देखेंगे. आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज राइट इट, टेक अ टाइम, just 1 or 2 minutes. I want from you, my dear friends, write your immediate goal for this year. It may be marks, it may be any course, it may be anything which you want to achieve. in your life. Write it down. And as you do this, just type in the chat box, done. I'm giving you 1 minute. It's now 11:55. Okay, I will stop at 12. Stop means the timer will be stopped after 1 minute. Write your immediate goal, whatever you may be feeling. And if you have doubt, ask me the doubt in the chat box. I will explain you. Very nice, Atharva. Sahil, good. Done, sir. Okay. So 1 minute has been over. So, my dear friends, whatever you have written, that's fine. That's fine for the immediate goal. That's okay. Please have this goal. I hope कि हमने एक एक्टिविटी किया है जिसने हमारे जीवन में कुछ तो एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस अपकमिंग 6 months or a year, we have something to do in our life. Am I right? We have something to do in our life. Can be anything that we want to learn or achieve in few years. Okay. Now, am I audible? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. So this is the first thing we should have goal in our life. This is the first thing to prepare our mind. मैं बहुत बार बच्चों से पूछता हूँ कि आप क्यों उठते हैं हर रोज? मैं आपसे भी पूछूंगा. If you can type there in the chat box. Why do you get up every day in the morning? थोड़ा मजाक में उत्तर लिखिए. इसे इतना अच्छा उत्तर लिखने का जरूरत नहीं. थोड़ा जोकिंगली. सब उठते इसलिए. अच्छा ठीक है. थक गए आप सब लोग, थक गए हो. हाँ ठीक है. गेट बोर्ड ऑफ स्लीप. करेक्ट. ज्यादा नींद खुल जाती है. नींद हो जाती है इसलिए. करेक्ट. एक्चुअली it's not you, it's the whole world. And the vibrations makes us do that same. Actually जब जीवन में कुछ करना हो ना, I read somewhere, नींद में जो देखते हैं वो सपने होते हैं, लेकिन जो हमारी नींद उड़ा देते हैं वो ध्येय होते हैं. हमारे जीवन की मतलब नींद खुल जाना किस लिए खुल गई? बोर हो गए सो सोकर, इसलिए खुल गई. लेकिन कुछ करने के लिए उठना ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. हाँ, तो जिसके जीवन में ध्येय होता है ना, वो नींद खुलने की राह नहीं देखता है, उसका ध्येय उसे उठाता है. हाँ, तो हमारे जीवन में वहाँ I am feeling some disturbance. Somebody's mic is actually on. Yeah. तो यदि हमारे जीवन में ध्येय होगा ना, गोल होगा, तो हम इसलिए नहीं उठेंगे कि नींद खुल गया है, इसलिए उठेंगे कि कुछ करना है आज. मैंने जो डिसाइड किया है, ध्येय मेरा जो गोल है, उसे अचीव करने के लिए कुछ स्टेप्स लेने हैं, इसलिए उठता हूँ. Isn't it? पर ये करते समय ना दोस्तों एक बात याद रखना, आपको क्या लग रहा है ये मेरे क्लास से इंस्पायर होने के पश्चात? आई होप यू मस्ट हैव बीन इंस्पायर्ड। इसका मतलब यह नहीं है कि हम उसे पा ही लेंगे। इसके बीच में बहुत सारे निगेटिव थॉट्स, निगेटिव इमोशंस हमारे जीवन में आते हैं जो हमें हमारे ध्येय से अलग कर देते हैं या हमारे ध्येय को दूर कर देते हैं। वी मस्ट हैव टू स्टॉप दोज नेगेशन, वी मस्ट हैव टू स्टॉप दोज नेगेशंस। दिस इज द सेकंड स्टेप. It will come because of the previous conditioning. It will come, but you have to stop it voluntarily. If thought comes, stop it. Second, third thing is use affirmations. Affirmations means these are the positive sentences which are in the present tense. These are positive sentences in the present tense telling that or speak, remember your goal. Let us say we want to achieve something in this year, so we can say ourselves, I am the achiever. If we start some course, we can say ourselves, I am the finisher, not the quitter. छोड़ने वालों में से नहीं हूं मैं क्या हूं? फिनिश करूंगा, इस कोर्स को मैं गिवन ड्यूरेशन में कंप्लीट कर लूंगा। आई एम अ फिनिशर। ना, इट क्रिएट्स अ पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट। और जो बोलते हैं वो तो थॉट्स भी होते हैं ना, जो हम बोल रहे हैं वो थॉट्स भी होते हैं, और वही थॉट्स हमारे माइंड पर इम्प्रिंट होंगे और वही से वो बीज निकलेंगे। कौन से? पॉजिटिव थॉट्स से, isn't it? And my dear friends, please, the fourth step you must not skip in this journey. The fourth step you must, and cheerful. Sometime our parents or our siblings or brother or sister, they may do such a thing or such an action which agitate us, which may agitate us. बोले हाँ बहुत आ गया, गोल लिख लिया, सर ने बताया तो हाँ देखता हूँ कैसे अचीव करेगा। Do not get agitated. Be calm, cool and cheerful. That is how we can keep ourselves motivated and positive. Isn't it? Are you with me? Are you getting the point? That we should have goal, we should stop negation, we should always use affirmations so that we always be motivated and inspired towards our goal. And the fourth step we should not skip, that is always keep calm, cool and cheerful. Important, that is change your image. Whatever you are feeling today, na, I'm this person, I'm that person. If it is positive, let it be, but if it is negative, please change it. Change it. If you think I'm not going to achieve whatever I decided, सर ने इंस्पायर किया था इसलिए लिख तो दिया, लेकिन ये मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि मेरे से अचीव होगा, चेंज इट. एंड हाउ कैन यू चेंज इट? द सिक्स्थ स्टेप, दैट इज एक्ट द पार्ट ऑफ अ सक्सेसफुल पर्सन. अभी देखो, आपने जो भी गोल डिसाइड किया है, अचीव करोगे तो सक्सेस आप करने क्या वाले हो. सपोज आपको 9 पॉइंटर्स मिल गया, व्हाट विल यू डू? और let me ask the question in this way, what a person who achieves 9 pointers in his life, how they will act? They're happy, correct? Other thing, yeah, Gumtesh, he has shared in the chat box. Others can also share what he or she will do. Satisfied, he will plan for his next goal, isn't it? He will do the same procedures what he has applied for achieving this success, isn't it? So act that part right now, even if you haven't achieved your success, even you haven't achieved what you have decided, act the part what you will do when you get it. 1 करोड़ का लेटर लग जाए तो फिर मैं सो जाऊंगा. ऐसे ध्येय रखना भी मत, ठीक है? ध्येय ऐसे रखो जो आपको एक्टिव रखे. So this is the 6 steps which will keep our mindset always motivated, inspired and positive towards our goal. It helps us to focus what we have decided. My dear friend, now we are at the end of the session. Within 10 minutes I'm going to stop, but here I tried my best to help you understand this concept. Now I want some steps from you, from your side. Are you ready to take those actions? There is action plan. I don't want a students who just come for the only sitting in the class just for the sake of sitting in the class. I don't want such students. Right there, I'm a learner. IL, right there, IL. Yeah, thank you. 2 घस शिकणारे आहेत, बाकी सगळे काय तरी इथं किती जण इथे बघू दे बरं. बापरे बाप, चॅट बॉक्स भरला पाहिजे, लय रिकाम आहे. So this step is for those who are serious learner. जो गंभीर लर्नर, मतलब सिर्फ वो किताबें पढ़ने वाले की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं. लर्नर मीन्स वन हु वांट्स टू अप्लाई द लर्निंग्स इन हिज लाइफ, ही इज अ लर्नर. ठीक है? सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप, see, these are the action steps. Are you ready to accept it? Right, I in the chat box. Yes, I'm ready to accept it. Are you ready to accept the 30-day challenge? I'm very excited. Yeah, so should I bring it on? The 30-day challenge is this. My dear friend, whatever you have written, whatever you have written, the goal, you must read at least twice a day, every day. Actually, now I'm not in a situation where I can go and take out my goal card. नहीं तो मैंने अभी आपको दिखाया होता मेरा goal card. Write it and read it every day. What is going to happen is a different thing. It's magic. The magic will happen. Just you have to take out, read it every day. Read it at least minimum twice, in the morning, in the evening. Okay? उठते ही उसके साथ उठो. Second, read affirmations. Read affirmations. Actually, I have prepared, but I'm not having the link. But I will share in our group, in GK or MIT group and JNC group, NGM group. All the Evolve Club in each and every college, whoever the participants are here, we are going to share that link. I have prepared some affirmations which are always helpful for the students. Okay, so I personally prepared a goal card. I will be sharing the link here, and we'll share in the group too. Take that, print out that goal card back to back as a identity or visiting card. In the front side, I have written there are few affirmative sentences, and in the back you can write your goal, and every day you can read it. Okay, this is the 30-day challenge for you. Read every day, read affirmations every day, and please always see whenever the provoking situation will come in your life, keep calm, cool, and cheerful. This is the 30-day challenge. यदि कोई दिन छूट जाता है तो अगले दिन से फिर से 30 दिन. क्यों ऐसा कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि to become or to make something as our habit, minimum we have to follow it for 30 days. To make something as some activity as our habit, we have to follow it minimum 30 days. Okay, so this is for you. And the next thing for you is I'm going to sell you something. Are you ready to purchase from me? I'm going to sell you something, the learnings. Are you going to purchase it? Type I in the comment box. इतना सुना है. Thank you Prachi, thank you Abhishek. I'm very encouraged to sell my product to you because I'm a businessman. What a businessman do in his life? He just innovate products, create products, and sell it. So I'm going to sell you 2 products. One is active from the next July. So should I bring it on? The first product is the moving the stumbling blocks in the life. हर किसी के जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ अटक जाता है. जैसे कभी आपने, सॉरी हाँ, एग्जांपल थोड़ा रॉ लगेगा लेकिन क्या करें, समझ में आएगा. कभी कभी ड्रेनेज ब्लॉक हो जाता है, पता है आपको? जब वो ड्रेनेज ब्लॉक होता है तो होता क्या है, सॉरी थोड़ा ऐसे बैकग्राउंड से आया हूँ कि समझ में आता है कि एग्जांपल कौन सा कहाँ पे देना है. क्या क्या होता है जब ऐसा ड्रेनेज ब्लॉक होता है? तो एक तो हमारी बाथरूम स्टिंक्स, हाँ. दूसरा, वी कैन नॉट डू आवर एक्टिविटीज. इट्स सो मच डिप्रेसिंग. व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू टेक आउट इट. वो चेंबर साफ करना पड़ता है, उसके बिना काम होने वाला है ही नहीं. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, हमारे जीवन में भी ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टम्बलिंग ब्लॉक्स है जो हमारे जीवन में अटक गए हैं और उसके कारण हमारी गाड़ी आगे नहीं बढ़ रही. आप जितने भी यहाँ पर हो उनमें से किसी को भी लगता होगा कि मेरी गाड़ी रुकी है, लिखना मत, टाइप चैट बॉक्स में मत लिखना कि मेरी गाड़ी रुकी है एंड वांट टू ड्राइव माय व्हीकल. दिस प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. दैट इज द 3 secret magical formula. This formula works as a magic. That's why we named this product as a 3 secret magical formula. It will work as a magic. This course we are going to have, it's not a course, it's a serious discussion with only those students who feels that their vehicle on the path of progress has stopped, पंक्चर हुआ है. वो पंक्चर दुरुस्त करने का ये सेशन रहेगा, जिसमें हम मोस्टली 5 to 10 students will bring them together and 1-to-1 will trying to help them to take out that stumbling block from their life so that they can walk on the path towards their success. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Write clear in the chat box. Clear. What I told or spoke till now, it's clear. This product I'm going to sell you in the cost. कितना में खरीद सकते हैं? ठीक है, मत लिखना वहां पर, नहीं तो मुझे ऑब्लाइज होना पड़ेगा उस प्राइस में. My dear friends, this product is almost of 4999, almost of 5000 rupees. Oh my god, it's very cheaper value. But for the students of Evolve Club, we are going to give it free of cost. Did you like my proposal? It's free of cost. Type there like. Type there in the chat box, liked it. It's free of cost. Why? Because Evolve Club has an authoritative what we call जिम्मेदारी है उनकी कि स्टूडेंट्स को उनके जीवन में आगे बढ़ने के लिए हेल्प करें. So the speaker will disclose in future, but you will like it. You will like it. It's a magic. You will like it. I can simply say that. Can I bring my next product? I'm a sailor. My next product is be a lifelong learner. To make you a lifelong learner, we're having our next product, that is Career Stability Blueprint. Career Stability Blueprint. You in one of the sessions of Aniket sir, you must have gone through the goal setting, है ना? So आपने गोल के बारे में सोचा था और वहां पर आपने एक भी देखा था कि हर ईयर को कैसे प्लान करे and how to plan what we want to achieve after 4th year. So this course is mainly consisting of that, and this course is also for the members of your club. We are going to give it just for free. For that, you just have to do one thing. I'm going to share a link here in the chat box, and you have to, those who want to participate, they can only fill it. Those who want to have this course, they can only fill it. We want a serious learner. Okay, they can fill it. The first course will be 1-to-1, it's live, and the second will be active in the month of July. From there you can have it. It's a recorded sessions. So I'm going to share the link here in the chat box. You can fill it up just within few minutes. I will give you 5 minutes to fill it up. Yeah, the link is there in your chat box. To everyone. Open that link and write, it's a, what we call, registration for this course. The course, first course will be, because it's 1-to-1, will decide on what time and what date, which student we are going to do it. And the second course will be active in the month of July. But just because I'm given this opportunity to be with you from our team, and I couldn't escape from my selling attitude, so I tried to sell it for whatever cost. Okay, so please fill it. Those who fill it, they are registered and they will be informed about their courses, when they will start, and how they should participate in that. So I'm very thankful for your patient listening and using this chat box and communicating with me, interacting with me. I'm very happy. If anybody has any question, I would like to help him or her just for 2 minutes, because we are already 3 minutes ahead. If any question, if somebody has, you can type. If not, please fill the form with honesty. Please do not fill it without honesty. Honestly, you can fill. Raise your hand for any query. जो कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, हाथ. दो सिचुएशन में क्वेश्चंस अराइज नहीं होता है. एक तो सब कुछ समझ में आ गया और एक कुछ नहीं समझ में आ गया. I want to at least know what category are you from. If you are from सब कुछ समझ में आ गया, type there super clear. And if you are writing your that form, then just fill that form. Just fill it. Congratulations, Ritesh and Sahil, that you have taken a right decision. Atharva Kulkarni, congrats. एक मिनट. Okay, so we'll stop here. The same link will be there in our Evolve Club groups, so you can access it from there too. And as I have promised, I have prepared a goal card for you. I will send that goal card copy. You can print it and use it. I will also share our affirmation booklet. You can read it every day to keep up yourself positive and motivated towards your goal. And also whatever we have discussed today, the points, the mind map, I will be going to share it with you as a PDF form. You can have it for whole of your life. Whenever you stuck, just go through this PDF and get the revision of it. I hope you all got the nice insights. If you really got, in our WhatsApp groups, you can please share whatever learnings you had in today's session. Please, I will be very much happy to read all the comments. Write 1 page, 2 page, how many pages you can write the learnings from today's topic. I'm very grateful and thankful for being in such a wonderful audience for me today. Thank you very much. Thank you for patience listening.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome, welcome.
ओके अभिषेक अभी आप एंड कर सकते हो.
Yes, sir.
मीटिंग एंड करते हैं अभी.
सर आपका आवाज बहुत कम आ रहा है.
Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
We can end the meeting now.
Yes, sir.